In this lesson we're going to have a look at adding surds. So the first example is the 2 times the square root of 3 plus 6 root 3. Now if this was algebra and we had, say, 2a plus 6a, then we'd simply write that as 8a. And it works exactly the same when we've got surds. So we add the numbers in front of the surds to give us 8, and we just leave the root 3 alone. And that's how we add together two surds. Let's have a look at the second example. We've got 8 root 3 plus 3 root 2. Now, in the previous example, I had the square roots the same. And I need that in this case, and they aren't the same. So that is as simple as it gets. We cannot add these two together. Let's have a look at the third example. We've got 2 root 5 plus 9 root 5. The root 5s are the same, so I can add these two together. We add the front numbers together, so we get 11, and it's 11 root 5. And that's how we add together two very simple surds.